Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that in our Shopify store, how we can display color variants as individual products on collection page. This video is specific for Crave theme. So let's implement this feature in our store with just copy and pasting the code. Here is the current situation of our store. This is the home page, and here you can see that we have featured products. So all the products are showing here, but their color variants are not displaying. So in the same way, if you are going to the catalog, here you can see that we have the products. For example, we have 5 products and their color variants are not displaying here. All right. So let's go to the dashboard of our store. Here you can see that I have already installed Crave theme. And if you have any other theme, then definitely you can go to shopwebsitecodes.com and there you will be finding that specific code. All right. So first of all, you should take the backup of this current published theme. So how you can take it? You should click on 3 dots, click on duplicate. So by duplicating, you can actually restore it later if you have any problem with this. Click on these 3 dots, click on edit code, and here we will be getting some files and folders. So we need to follow the documentation. Once you are downloading the file, that will be zip file, and you need to extract that, and you will be getting all these files here, and open this document.txt. Inside of this documentation, you will be getting all the steps. So for example, the first step is create a new snippet. The name of that snippet is color-variant and paste attached code. So let's create a new snippet. Click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and here you need to write color-variant and click on done. So this will create an empty snippet file, and you need to paste here the attached code, which is color-variant.txt. So you should select this complete code and paste inside of this empty file, and then you need to save the changes. Once you saved all these changes, then you should close this again. And now let's go ahead with the second step, which is create new snippet, which is color-card-product. So you should copy this name and create one more snippet by clicking on add a new snippet, and here you need to paste that name, which is color-card-product, and click on done. All right. So you will be getting an empty file here, and inside of it you again need to open color-card-product.txt, and inside of it you should copy the complete code and paste it inside of this empty file, and then click on save the changes. Now you should close this file again, and let's move ahead with the third step. So the third step is go to sections and open featured-collection.liquid. So where is that? We have this sections folder, we have featured-collection.liquid, and inside of it we need to remove this complete list li tag and replace it with this line of code. So how we will be finding this exact code? So here we have card-product. You should copy this keyword and using Control F or maybe Command F, search this one, and this will be highlighted here. So we are at the exact position. So you should remove this complete li tag and replace it with this line of code. So I'm going to copy this line of code and remove this and paste it here. So what is the next step? Go to sections, open man-collection-product-grid.liquid. So where is that? We have sections, scroll it down, and here we have man-collection-product-grid.liquid. Inside of it, again we need to find this element, and we need to replace it with this line of code. So how we will be finding that? Again we need to copy this keyword, and using Control F or maybe Command F, it will be searched and highlighted. So you should remove this complete li and replace it with this one. All right, so let me remove this and let me paste it here. So again, save changes and close this file also. What is the last step? The last step is go to sections, open man-search.liquid, and replace the complete code with the attached code. So where is man-search.liquid? So if you are scrolling it up, maybe here we have man-search.liquid. So this is under sections. So in the folder you have that code attached, which is man-search.txt. Copy this complete code and paste it inside of this. But before that, you should remove all the line of code and then put the updated line of code and click on save. So all these changes are saved. Now you should close this, and we have implemented all the steps according to the documentation. So let's try to test it now. Here you can see that we have main collection page. If you are refreshing this page again, here you can see that we have all the color variants of the products are displaying here. How beautiful this is. This is looking very beautiful, you know. And in the home page, if you will see that in the featured products, we have all the color variants displaying here. Can you see? So this is really amazing because this is attracting our customers, you know. And if we are selecting any specific, for example, this bottle, and you can see that the preview image will be the same one. If we are previewing this one, then again this is also the same preview. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking this was useful, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. And one important thing is that visit www.shopwebsitecodes.com, because there I have published the new code snippets which you can use in your store by just copy and pasting this. Alright, thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.